Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. I have been asked this question by many, and I think that this is a valid doubt too. Despite so much of happening across the globe, what's the reason that markets are gaining? World is not just fighting against corona, but also against slowing down economy, high unemployment, US-China trade war, and recently a protest in US. But still, markets are gaining. So in this video, I'll explain you the reason why it's happening. आप लोगों ने ये लाइन जरूर सुनी होगी, पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते। काश पैसे पेड़ पे उगते, क्योंकि अगर पेड़ पे उगते तो उगने में टाइम लगता, बट अभी पैसे सिर्फ एक बटन से उगाए जा रहे हैं। Yes, you heard it right. Money is being created out of thin air by just a click of a button. So the only reason the markets are being fueled up is liquidity in the market. There are two ways by which the money is being fueled up in the market. First is called as helicopter money. The term being used to print and distribute money to the general public to stimulate the economy. Here the money is distributed to the public without a clause of returning it back. CARES Act passed in US in March 2020, which allows every resident taxpayer to get up to $1,200 as a part of the financial package. This money is not supposed to be returned back. The second way by which the money is being created in the market is by QE. QE stands for quantitative easing. In this, the Central Bank of US purchases the government bonds, and by which increasing the liquidity in the market. But then in this case, the government has to pay back the money to the central bank. So this is the basic difference between helicopter money and QE. हेलीकॉप्टर मनी में पैसे वापस नहीं देने, बट QE में पैसे वापस देने हैं. Now you may be thinking, why we are not doing the same? If we do, then our monetary system may crash, which has happened with the other countries of the world. But then why US is being able to do it? It's because US dollar is a world currency. I have been creating a video on monetary system of the world and their history. Do subscribe this channel for the exciting stuff you are going to learn soon. We have read economics, increase in supply of currency leads to inflation. This time it is stock market inflation. I call this as a stock market being inflated. Thank you so much.